Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will learn how to create a Beer's law calibration curve using a Microsoft Excel. This is a crucial concept for a pharmacy student as it's commonly used in a spectrophotometry to determine the concentration of solution. Let's dive right in. Beer's law, also known as a Beer-Lambert's law, which states that the absorbance of a light by a solution is directly proportional to its concentration, and the equation is absorbance is equal to molar absorptivity into concentration into path length of the curve. For today's example, we will assume the path length is a 1 cm and focus on a plotting absorbance versus concentration to find the linear relationship. Let's start by preparing our data in Excel. First, open the Microsoft Excel and create a table with the following headers. Column A is a concentration, which might be in a microgram per ml or mg per ml. Column B is a absorbance. Next, enter the following sample data. Once after entering the all data, your table look like this. Now, let's create a calibration curve. First, select the all data in the both columns including the headers. Then go to the Insert tab at the top. In the chart section, click on a scatter plot and select the one with a straight marker. You should see a scatter plot appear with a concentration on the x-axis and the absorbance on the y-axis. Then click on any data point in the graph. Right click and choose a Add Trendline from the menu. On the right side in the Format Trendline pane, select Linear and check the boxes for a display equation on a chart and display R-square value on a chart. Now you will see the equation of the line and the R-square value of the chart. The equation represents the relationship between absorbance and concentration, and the R-square value indicates how well the data fits the trend line. And that's how you create a Beer's law calibration curve in Excel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.